Welcome back to the updated version of the stupid little how to clear your history for noobs. Your cache for noobs. So first what you're going to do is basically go to the three little dots you see on your screen right now, and then you pop onto this lovely little page, and then you will see clear browsing data. So when you click on this, this is the updated version of Chrome, so basically it will send you to a new page. So once you click on this little shit, it'll open this. You can either clear your browsing data, or you can clear cache files and images, which basically makes it work, or you can just clear your cookies and browsing data, etc. So now this will sign me out of a lot of sites. So this will sign me out of Twitter, etc. But I'm going to clear it just for you guys, so you can click browsing data right here. And it kind of loads like this, even though it's not supposed to do that. And then when you go up here to reload your page, you will find that your browsing data is gone. So we're going to have to click the three little dots on the screen, go to history, there's something there. You go there, and then you click here, and then you click all these, and then you click clear browsing data. If that helped you, I don't know. That's just the updated version of this, and I hope you guys like it. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you guys in your video. Bye guys!